back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a what I splurge with my nursing paycheck. My first, but it's really like my fourth paycheck. So yeah, so if you guys are interested in seeing what I got, you guys can probably tell by the title, then please be sure to stay tuned. All right, so I think a lot of nurses do this, you know, or anytime you get a position or an accomplishment, then you go out and buy yourself a gift, right? So you guys know I have children, so they're going to be popping in and out of this video. But anyway, so I just wanted to film what I got as my gift for myself. This is Grayson, guys. What I got myself. So I didn't spend like my first actual paycheck. I paid off bills. I took, careful Noah. I took my parents and family and friends out to eat. So this is pretty much like the fourth or fifth paycheck. I do work two jobs, two part-time jobs. So if you guys are not into like this luxury good videos, please. Okay, all three of them are going to pop up right now. So this is why I work hard and also treat myself and splurge on myself. This is Elijah. He probably just ate something. So if you guys see that my camera is moving around, it's like the new camera I'm testing out. So anyways, this is why I treat myself, because sometimes I just go crazy and I just need to treat myself to something, because otherwise these... Yeah, anyway, so let's just move on. So this is it. You guys know I have a love for Cartier, and I've been kind of eyeing this thing for a while. You guys know for graduation and like push present for 3 kids, I did get the love ring, what is this? The love bracelet. And so there's a couple pieces I do want to add, so I'm just slowly adding it. So be careful, boys, please. Mommy's filming a video. Alright, guys, I'm going to have to like edit or something this video here. So it came in a package like so, typical red envelopes. My essay was nice enough to give me perfume samples. I'm not a fan of Cartier, their perfumes. I feel like it's a little too strong for me. So there's their new one, Cartier Carrot, or however you say it in French, and then Le Nouveau or something. My husband does use their cologne, and it does smell good. So this is just my receipt. Okay. Okay, guys, sorry. This is going to be like the most informal Cartier unboxing here, but sorry. Alright, and so here is the box that comes in. I don't know if you guys can guess. If you guys... Alright, guys, I had to kick them out. I'm so sorry. But this is a motherhood, whatever channel. And you guys know I have 3 kids and about to be 4, so... I can see more Cartier in my future. Anyway, so this is the box it comes with, and this is the inside. All right, and let me open it up and make sure it's nice. And actually, I have been like wearing it, so let me just take it off and show you guys. So here it is. I don't know if you guys can see. This is the whatever. It's just the Just a Nail ring, but this is the thin version. So they just came out with the slim version of the original nail bracelet. Oh! It kind of fell off, but this is the ring. So they came out with the new slim thin version of the original nail bracelet and nail ring collection, whatnot. So I thought I was waiting for this for a while for it to come out, because I tried on the thicker version, the original version, and I just felt like it was too bulky on my hands, even the bracelet also. So I decided to go for the thin version. The price is a lot better than the original, let me tell you. But I really wanted to add this piece to my collection. You guys know I have the rings of the love. So this is my 2 wedding thin band, whatnot. Oh, talking about rings, guys. I lost my wedding, like original wedding, like thin gold band. I like took off my gloves, and I think it just went with my gloves. So I don't have a wedding band right now. But anyways, so yes, this is the ring. Just give you guys a little close up. I don't know if it's going to zoom or focus correctly. Let me see if okay, it's probably not, but this is the ring. Maybe if I put, so for me, fortunately, I can like wear my rings on a lot of my fingers. I pretty much have the same size, but I really did want to add this into my collection because it's just different from the Love, and eventually I do want to add the slim version of the bracelets also to my collection. Just, I think it will be like a nice match. There's my list of Cartier, just goes on and on. But yeah, so I just wanted to splurge on this as my nursing, you know, fourth, fifth, you know, something to commend myself for having a job, graduating nursing school, going through all sorts of stuff with the kids, going through school. So yeah, I know other people are like, you could have just bought something else. This is just ridiculous. But you know what? This is me. I love luxury goods. I work hard for my money. We all have our priorities. You know, I get things done. I save, and then I splurge on myself. So I'm really excited about this purchase. I've been wearing it for a while now. I got it a while back. But yeah, so I didn't ask for anything for Christmas this year or anything because I told my husband I just really want to save up to get the slim, which is like half the price of the original one. I mean, though it is hollow, it like moves around. The way you put it on is totally different. But I told him I didn't want anything. I want the slim bracelet as a late Christmas birthday gift, push present. You see how my husband is so, you know, he can just combine everything into one gift. Other ladies can get like 3 different things for each occasion. But anyway, so yeah, February is looking like a good month for me. That's when the babies due. I'm sure it's going to be the end of January, but our birthdays are in February. The baby is supposed to be here in February. Valentine's is in February, so I thought I'll just combine everything together. I don't need a gift right now. I don't need anything, even though a lot of my stuff was stolen. I was like, just save it for the bracelets. So once I get that, whenever that is, could be March, whenever, I will show you guys that. But yeah, so this is my nursing gift to myself. I really love it. I think it's just like a unique piece. My husband's like, you can just go to Home Depot, Lowe's, and make yourself one, bend the nail and spray paint it. You guys can do that if you guys want. But anyway, so I just really like it. And you can also stack it with the Love ring, and I think it's a cute look too. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's a cute little way to wear it. Yeah, so you can wear it all sorts of different ways. I just really like it. So my husband wants to change his wedding band too, since I lost mine. But we'll see if we get Cartier or not. I feel like it might be a little too much, you know. But can a girl have too much Cartier? I don't know. But yeah, so that is my gift to myself. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys splurged on. What items you guys have like on your wish list. Would you guys like to see like a wish list video? I know this is like a nursing channel, but come on, we work as nurses to, you know, help our families and help ourselves. So spending a little on ourselves doesn't hurt, right? So if you guys want to see like a wish list, ultimate wish list, it's not like this wish list I'm going to get. Ultimate wish list, I'll be happy to film that. But if you guys have any other questions on like the jewelry pieces, let me know. I'll be glad to film a video. Also, let me know how the video quality is. I'm testing out a new camera. I think I told you guys in the past 2 videos, but yeah, but otherwise, I hope you guys have a great day. If you guys are new to my channel and like these types of videos, then please be sure to stay tuned and subscribe. But I hope everyone has a great day, and I will see you guys next time.